Hello, today we will guide you through how to log in to Meta Business Suite. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official Meta Business Suite login page, especially if you are not sure of the exact website address. Once Google has loaded, click into the search bar so you can type your search. In the search field, enter Meta Business Suite Login. Be sure to type it clearly so Google can show the most relevant results. After that, press Enter on your keyboard to run the search. You should now see a list of results related to Meta's business tools and login pages. From the search results, look for the option labeled Meta for Business and click on it. This is the official destination you want to use. It is always a good idea to choose the official Meta result rather than a third-party website, since that helps protect your account and ensures you are signing in through the correct platform. If you see several similar results, take a moment to confirm that the link is the official Meta Business page before selecting it. Once the Meta for Business page opens, look for the button that says Continue with Facebook. Click that button to begin the sign-in process. At this point, Meta will guide you through the rest of the login flow on screen. Depending on your account status, you may be asked to sign into your Facebook account, confirm your identity, or choose the business account you want to access. As you go through the on-screen prompts, read each screen carefully and follow the instructions provided. If you are already logged into Facebook in your browser, the process may be faster and you might be taken directly into Meta Business Suite. If not, simply complete the login steps shown on screen. If the page does not load correctly, try refreshing your browser or checking that you click the official Meta for Business result. Also, make sure you are using the Facebook account that has access to the business assets you need inside Meta Business Suite. Once completed, you should be successfully logged in and ready to manage your business tools, pages, and related assets from the Meta Business Suite dashboard.